Welcome to Zhejiang LVMA Electric Company Limited, your trusted partner in power terminal application solutions. As a leading manufacturer, we specialize in delivering innovative electrical system integrations for end-use scenarios. As a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales, LVMA Electric is committed to technological innovation. We operate with a modern production management system and automated manufacturing lines. Our products are certified by CE, CB, ROHS, TUV, and more. Step into LVMA's modern production base, where order, precision, and automation come together in perfect harmony. From carefully selected raw materials to precision SMT processes and rigorous assembly, every link is executed with meticulous attention to detail. To enhance production efficiency and product consistency, we've adopted automated assembly lines and real-time quality monitoring systems, powered by intelligent data integration. Before leaving the factory, each transfer switch undergoes over 10 strict tests, including high-temperature aging, current surge, and mechanical endurance, ensuring stable performance under harsh conditions. A digital traceability system logs every step of the production process, giving each product a complete quality archive you can trust. Our main products include PC-class automatic transfer switches, ideal for high reliability scenarios; CB-class automatic transfer switches with integrated short-circuit protection; molded case circuit breaker, overload and short-circuit protection; ATS controllers and cabinets, enabling intelligent monitoring and centralized control. Our solutions are widely used in factories, transportation hubs, hospitals, data centers, and household, anywhere a reliable power supply is mission critical. We continuously invest in R&D to explore smarter switching mechanisms and more efficient energy management, ensuring we stay ahead in the power switch industry. Zhejiang LVMA Electric, rooted in professionalism, committed to quality, dedicated to delivering smarter, more convenient, and secure power solutions to our customers. Your trusted partner in power reliability. Let's grow together.